How to clean stainless steel appliances, sinks, counters, and more. Maintaining the sleek allure of stainless steel in your kitchen is simple with these tips. Get rid of grease and fingerprints on your appliances, sinks, or counters. First, you'll need store-bought or DIY stainless steel cleaner, spray bottle, soft microfiber cloth, sponge, stainless steel polish, warm water. Whatever you do, never use steel wool, window cleaners, bleach, undiluted vinegar, abrasive cleaners, and paper towels. Here's how to get started. 1. Use a soft cloth or sponge with warm water to remove surface stains, wiping in the direction of the grain. 2. Spray on cleaning solutions for tough spots. Dish soap and water works well for grease, while a 1/4 cup vinegar and 3/4 cup water mixture works well for limescale. 3. Buff with a microfiber cloth to dry. 4. Use stainless steel polish when buffing to protect surfaces. Avoid common mistakes, follow these steps, and enjoy your stainless steel's timeless elegance. For professional restoration, consider hiring cleaning services from Thumbtack.